We're gonna try this car now. Welcome back, guys, to 509. Today we got this ball that you walk on water, and we're gonna put a couple of RC cars inside and then just kind of see what kind of cool stuff we could do. We got a couple cars here just in case we break some, so we're gonna try to hit some jumps, maybe go on the water. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what's gonna happen. So first car we're gonna put in is the Xmaxx. Dude, this is pretty cool. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. Ah! Oh! Backflip. Okay, I'm just gonna floor it. Whoa! Dude, that's crazy. We're gonna try to hit the ramp. It's gonna be pretty hard. There it is, I wanna go. Shit. Man. Okay, there's a little hill over there and it just keeps going to the side. So we moved it here, and I think the run-up should be a little bit smoother. No wind, dude. What a miss.
Backflip. Whoa!
Oh.
That just...
So we got a tire explosion, but we're still gonna go one more time. Sorry guys, it is a little windy today. We're gonna try to drive it on water now. Dude, that is pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna get to my parents' house where they have a pretty big balcony, and we're gonna see if we could jump off it and see what happens in the air. So here's the balcony. Thinking about setting off, but now we're thinking about doing it off the roof.
Yeah!
Xmaxx is pretty heavy, so we're gonna try the little car now. Oh, it's a small one. The first one was a lot bigger, but not bad. This one did a lot better than the Xmaxx because I think it's just lighter and spins faster. Hopefully you guys liked that video. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Still alive.